Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from amandacrochets.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you the Knitcrate yarn haul that I have. In a previous video I talked about the yarn that you see on the video right now, and this was in the latest Knitcrate box. However, I love the color so much that I really wanted to purchase some of the other colors in this line. Now there are 4 colors altogether, and I picked up 3 of the 4 colors. The 4th color I wasn't as crazy about, it just wasn't my color that I normally would gravitate towards, so there's definitely nothing wrong with it. I just wanted to pick up these 3 colors instead, and I'm really happy with the colors. So I ended up purchasing a total of 6 skeins of each color, and the only exception is I had 2 skeins from that Knitcrate from before of this purple color, so I ordered 4 skeins of this purple. However, in the shipment my 4th skein did not arrive, so I contacted Knitcrate, and right away they got back to me and they are going to send out the missing skein that I did not receive in my package. So I will be eagerly waiting for that to show up sometime soon. But I do have this yarn, so I will go over it really quick. And this is going to be the same yarn for all of the colors that I show you today. So this is the Uru yarn Cozy by Knitcrate. And this particular color is called Butterfly Pea Flower, and this is 45% Huacaya alpaca, 45% Surrey alpaca, and 10% stellina, and it's a super bulky weight yarn. It's 55 yards or 50 meters, 100 grams, 4 ounces, and it's hand washed gently, dry flat. Now this is custom made in Peru exclusively for Knitcrate. And you can buy this yarn as well as some of their other yarns on the Knitcrate website, which I will go ahead and leave a link below in case you want to check that out. So again, this is Butterfly Pea Flower, and it's a nice purple color with some flecks of blue and pink in there. And that stellina is that sparkle, so it's very sparse in here. And I don't know if the camera is going to pick up on it in this particular color. We have a little bit of that stellina right here. So again, I ordered 6 skeins total of each color, and then I ordered 4 additional skeins of this purple one to make the 6. But I really loved the different flecks of color in this one, and I thought it was a really pretty yarn. And it's very soft and it's very squishy, and I really like this because you can make a variety of different winter projects with this. You can make a hat, or you can make a scarf set, and if you really wanted to, you can make a big chunky blanket. But I will probably be making a bunch of different hats and scarves with this just because I really love it so much. So this is the first color. This is the Butterfly Pea Flower. This next color is really pretty. It's kind of like a corally pink color, and it has flecks of brown, purple in it, as well as like a teal. And it's so pretty. Again, it's very soft and squishy, and you do see a little bit of a halo of that alpaca yarn, which you can see right here. And this color is called Noon Chai, all the same specs as before, and again it's just very pretty. It's that bright pink corally color, and again it has the flecks of teal and purple in it, and it's so soft. I am really excited to start working with this yarn. So that is Noon Chai. And finally, one of my favorite colors in this line is Bubble Tea, and this is a very nice spring green color with flecks of red and teal in it, and I absolutely love this color. This is probably my favorite in the 4 colors, and I knew I had to pick this up once I did not receive it in my Knitcrate, so definitely really happy with this one. and I love the different colors that are in this skein. So you can really see that pop of color, and I just love, love, love this color scheme. So I'm really happy with my purchase of these yarns, but there's more. I do have one additional yarn to show you. So also in my Knitcrate haul, I received these 4 skeins of yarn. Now I did not request this yarn at all. They just happened to be in my package, and I contacted Knitcrate when I told them about my missing skein, and I mentioned that I received 4 skeins of this yarn, and they said to go ahead and keep it and either use it for a project or give it away to a friend. So I received these yarns, and I thought that this was kind of cool. This is the Mrs. Crosby yarn, and I believe this is from either their October, I'm assuming it's October because of the Halloween-like label, but it's either from their October or November Knitcrate, and this is the Mrs. Crosby yarn. Like I said, this is 80% superwash merino wool, 20% silk, and this is 240 yards or 100 grams. It's machine wash, cool, lay flat to dry. Now I do not know the color unless it's called the Muma Pottery. Pottery, I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but this is the yarn that I received, and I received 4 skeins of this, and it's kind of like that lime green, and it has like a darker tone with some flecks of color here, and it has some black streaks over here, and kind of like a tonal yarn. And I believe this is a fine weight yarn or number 2 yarn. I'm not really sure because I haven't really worked with this type of yarn before, but it was really fun to receive this in my yarn haul order, so I was really happy with that. And I'm not sure exactly what I want to make with this, but they do have a few patterns on their website that showcase this particular yarn, so I might want to try that out. I know they have a knit pattern, and then they also have a crochet pattern, and the crochet pattern that they featured was like a market bag, so I might make that. I thought that was really cool looking. But yeah, I just wanted to share that I randomly got extra yarn in my yarn haul, which is always nice. And I love the different colors that come in these skeins, and I really like the flecks of the black and the white in there. So really pretty yarn. So thank you for joining me today on my Knitcrate yarn haul. I hope you like the colors that I chose, and if you like the colors, go ahead and click on the link below, and you can look at all the different colors for yourself and purchase them as you so choose. I know they have yarn sales every now and then that you can always take advantage of, which is usually what I try and do. I get all of my yarn for about 20% off, and I'm also a member of Knitcrate, so I get an additional 50% off the regular price of the yarn anyway. So I think that's a really, really, really great deal. So if you wanted to become a member of Knitcrate, you can go ahead and click on my link, and you will receive 20% off your first subscription box. And you can also take advantage of the Member Central shop and get an additional discount off of your order. So thank you so much again for joining me. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And as always, happy crocheting. Bye.